Today we are taking stoichiometry to the next level. We're going to master mole calculations, including mass to mass and gases. Grab your calculators, and let's get started. Before we calculate anything, you must have a balanced chemical equation. Think of it as a recipe. The big numbers in front, called coefficients, tell us the exact mole ratio needed for the reaction to work perfectly. The simplest type is the mole-mole calculation. If you know the moles of one substance, you can find the moles of any other substance in the reaction just by multiplying it by the mole ratio from your balanced equation. Next is mole mass. Remember this golden rule: you cannot compare grams directly to grams in a chemical equation. You must use molar mass to convert your grams into moles first, use the mole ratio, and then convert back to grams if needed. The mass calculation is the most common exam question. It requires a three-step bridge. Step 1, convert the given mass to moles. Step 2, use the mole ratio to find the unknown moles. Step 3, convert those new moles back into mass. Finally, calculations involving gases. At standard temperature and pressure, 1 mole of any ideal gas occupies exactly 22.414 decimeter cubed. Whenever a question asks for gas volume at STP, just swap out molar mass for this molar volume in your bridge. Awesome job making it through. To quickly recap, always ensure your equation is balanced first, use the mole ratio as your primary conversion bridge, and remember that gases at STP use 22.414 decimeter cubed per mole. That wraps up our 5-minute summary on mole calculations. If this video helped you prepare for your exams, please smash that like button, subscribe to Prep N5, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next lesson.